Okay, how y'all doing today? Good afternoon. This is Monday, June the 7th. We're coming with another market analysis. And today, let's start off looking at Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is actually, uh, we had this long wick, this long candle, this push down. It was a nasty move last month. And we actually have 23 more days before this month closed, according to this candle here. But one thing that we notice, usually when you see this body and this wick, this long wick here, we can expect this next candle to at least fill the wick, at least go to this area again. So which means is you can expect Bitcoin to probably go test the 30K mark again, uh, before actually it takes off again, because we're in an impulse, in a correction, and we can expect another impulse to the upside. But as of right now, things are kind of cooling. Now let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is the chart actually that shows how much of the market share of all the money in crypto is actually into Bitcoin. Whereas we see sharply for the last month, it's been pushing down sharply, and pretty much the same picture. We can expect it to push down the dominance to even shrink a little bit more, which means the alt should continue to be a little stronger. Um, and so let's look at the alts. Well, let's look at it on the weekly. On the weekly, yes, it's still very bearish. It's very bearish. So it's really not a good time to be investing in Bitcoin. It's very bearish right now. Uh, let's go over here to look into the. So this total market cap too. This is actually crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin, which basically means all the alts, every other token except for Bitcoin. And we had a strong uh, impulse. Now we also have a correction going on. Let's look at it on the monthly chart. The monthly, this is, we had all-time highs. We've been on a nice run the last 3 or 4 months. The market cap total 1.4 over 1.479 trillion, which is strong for the altcoins. But now will look like they're just gonna feel it wicked. It had a chance to go up and even challenge this again, but it looks like it's not even, the momentum is not there. It's not there right now. So what we can expect, we have an impulse, then another correction, and we can expect another impulse to the downside, maybe to this, about the same, about this area right here. Let me draw it up to about right here. Oh, one more thing, by the way. When you see all this move to the upside and then you see one red candle, this is an area of strong supply and demand. This is a strong area, so we're really gonna monitor to see where this weekly candle closes. If it closes below, we can see a push down. If it closes above, we can expect another run up. But we're gonna really watch this candle we have right now. We have 6 days to see what it's gonna do. Let's look at it on a daily. Okay, yeah, it's holding pretty strong in its zone. So we'll see what we'll look at the daily also. We'll monitor this today and tomorrow to see where the next candle, what it does, and from there we'll make a determination that we should go short or go long. Right now, the market is consolidating. We know in the crypto world we have a lot of volatility. So just hang tight, and we'll be able to, we should see some kind of movement here in the next week or two, maybe hopefully in the next couple of weeks. But also we're gonna have a live training tonight with Gibbs. So we'll be sending out. Well, y'all already have the Telegram link. Just go ahead and get ready for that 7 p.m. Meeting. Well, that's it for right now. I'll talk to you guys in a couple of days.